Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about elements of control system in control system modeling. So let us see how the modeling has been enabled and it is followed by control system. First one is objective. So in order to initiate a control system, so these are some factors to be followed while design a product or patent. First one is model common control of system components and select an appropriate control algorithm of PID type or one of its variations. Next one is analyze the performance of a control algorithm using transfer function, block diagram and computer methods. So after finalizing all the components for the particular project, we can simulate the particular components by using MATLAB, and it can be followed by simulating process to generate a waveform. Our next one is a control system consists of subsystem and plants for the purpose of obtaining a desired output with a desired specific input. So in this PPT, they are given some diagrams about how the values has been changed with respect to the specific input. So these two diagrams are initiated by a programmable controller. The programmable controller may be varied based on descriptive type or programmable or error controllable arithmetic functions. So based on the input signals, the graph will be shown different output. And next one is the basic components followed by objective control system components and results. So there are two type of control systems are there. First one is open loop and closed loop control systems. So in open loop control system, we don't have any feedback systems, because once if we are giving any input to the controller, then automatically we can get the output based on the input signals. So here the diagram shows that while input given the input, then the controller has specified the input as actuator. The actuator only decide that the output of the concern controller of the input signals, then it can be able to given the output based on the number of specific functions involved in the input signals. And next one is closed loop systems. So this is the feedback systems which is to be followed in this control system modeling. Initially, the closed loop system has been framed by input signals and controller, actuator, and disturbance plus minus. We can add the signals by using this plus symbol here. And next one is plant and sensors. The main application of this closed control system is to add more number of system by using this closed loop control system, because if you found that if you found any error during the signal generation, then automatically the error has been identified in the input signals, then it has to be rectified by using the controller, then it can be able to forward to the next type of actuators, so that we can get the original signals without any error informations. So the disturbance is if we want to remove the error in the initial stage, means we can remove the error or add some additional plant by using this disturbance model, so that it can frame as a feedback loop, so we can able to get the output with respect to the input signals. So examples of control system applications. So here they list out some applications of control systems. Especially it can be used for washing machines, stepper motors, and ideal speed control car access. And most probably it can be used for robotics models and cruise control. Nowadays the cars are coming under sensors model. They are based on control system, because if you want to control over the machines, means then we can use this type of closed loop control systems. So especially for washing machines, it can be used for controlling all kind of applications, because if you want to give any kind of dresses to the washing machine, means it can be identified that this kind of dress materials are like that, so that it can able to check the concerned material based on the sensors. So this sensors is based on control system modeling. And next one is home heating control system. So let us take an example of this one, home heating control system. So this type of home heating control system is based on threshold values. So here the T mentioned about the temperature. The temperature, the VT is equal to temperature voltage. The temperature voltage sensors is used to find the if it is having more number of temperature measurements, then it can identify that you are having too much level of heat in the room. Like that, it just indicate about the values in this temperature sensors. So here they are given about some error conditions. If the temperature is higher than the voltage level means, then it is cold. If the temperature is less than threshold voltage means it is hot. So if it is open means, then the temperature is high level, temperature is low level, so that it can indicate that cold value. If it is less means, then it is called it's a closed value. So like that, we can use the control system elements for particular operations. So cruise control, every cars are now having now it is having more number of control systems in that in their own model. Suppose if you want to hear more number of songs at the same time means, we can control over the cruise control option, not only for controlling the songs. You can able to control some drifting application. Suppose if the car is going to hit any kind of object means, it just indicate that users you are running behind the you are running behind this object, or you are going to hit a object. So like that, it just indicate to the users, so that the users can easily identify, and they can easily control the machines. Mathematical model. So here the representation of a mathematical expression is, because it is based on force and module which is going to given to the input signals. Once if it is followed through the car means, then we can able to use some differential equations here. The differential equation is the tool which is used to give the proper solution of the concern input and output plant signals. So control applications with industrial robots. Nowadays, we are using robotics for many kind of applications. One of the application which is used here is ball grabber inverted pendulum control, because it is having more number of weight, so that we can use the robotics for handling those kind of elements in control systems. Assessment. How does the controller use the informations from the sensor to make a proper decisions? The controller compares the actual temperature reported by the sensor with the desired set point target temperature. If the temperature deviates from the set point, the controller computes the error and determines the necessary control actions to correct it, such as adjusting the heating elements as output. So as we have seen like that, we can use it to find the sensor is the tool to give the proper solution to the particular output signals. Thank you.